Welcome everyone! In Molecular Dynamic Simulation Series. In this video we learn how to prepare that protein-ligand complex. So let's start. These are the 4 files that we have generated in the previous steps. That is the JZ4ITP, JZ4PRM, and the JZ4IN9.pdb and JZ4top. First of all, you have to convert the PDB file, that is the ligand PDB file, JZ4ini.pdb file, into the GRO file. To convert this JZ4ini.pdb to GRO file, you should give this command gmx edit conf-f JZ4ini.pdb, that is the ligand PDB file, and give the output file -o and output file name, that is the ligand.GRO file. This is the JZ4ini.pdb and this is the output file ligand.GRO. So give this command. Now a new file is created, that is the ligand.GRO file. Now we have to combine these 2 files, that is the ligand.GRO file and the protein-processed.GRO file. You can just visualize this ligand.GRO file in the PyMol to check whether all the atoms are bonded correctly or not. Now all the atoms in the ligand are correct. Now we shall open the protein-processed.GRO file and we can visualize it also. So next step is to combine these 2 files, ligand.GRO file and the protein-processed.GRO file. So open this both in the text file and copy all the contents of the protein-processed.GRO file into a new file. Okay. Paste in the new file and go to the ligand.GRO file. Copy the coordinates of the ligand file and paste after the protein coordinates. Since there are 22 atoms in the ligand file, you should update the number of atoms in the second line. So add 22 in the second line and give the number. And save this file as the complex.GRO file. That is, this file is the Protein-Ligand Complex file. Give it any name and save it in the same folder. That is, in the desktop, there is a folder called MD. Now we shall visualize this complex GRO file also. Since we have merged both the ligand and the protein-processed.GRO file, in the complex file there will be protein and ligand. See, this is the ligand molecule. And everything looks fine. So we shall just close the window. So the complex.GRO file is ready and we have to edit the topology file also. That is, open the topology file and there will be a line called include force field parameters. Below that, enter #include JZ4.prm. This is the ligand parameters. So include this parameters file at this line. And scroll down. And there you will find position resistance file and water topology. In between these 2 files, you should include the ligand topology file. That is #include JZ4.itp. These both files are generated in the previous steps. Okay. And the third change we have to make is the molecules directive. It is present at the end of the file. Scroll down to the end. And finally, you should update the molecules directive. In the molecules directive, there will be a protein chain A and number of molecules PV1. You should update the entry to the give the ligand residue name, that is the JZ4, and give your tab and the enter 1 and save this file. Okay, that's all. Now the topology file is ready. This topology file contains the parameters for ligand and the parameters for protein also. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.